folks, Aaron here from Beansprout. I've got number 681 ready to go. This is a tenor ukulele made from Spruce and Walnut. So the back and sides are some really beautiful curly walnut that I got from the short spin at Gobi in Portland. It's got some really nice big curl to it. I really like the grain on it. There you go. And the top is some spruce from my what I call my dulcimer maker stash. It's this really beautiful Spruce cut, or at least sold in the 1960s, and it's got all kinds of little weird bear claws and cool figures. And it was a stack of spruce that sat on somebody's shelf in their shop since the 60s. They never used it, and the edges where it got UV, where the sun hit it, got darkened by UV light, and so that's what this cool streak down the middle is. And I always try to keep it in there whenever I can. We've got our bird's foot purfling and curly maple binding on this as well. There you can see the purfling. And the customer's going for a pretty traditional look, so we've got a Spanish cedar neck with a Texas ebony fretboard headplate and bridge. And Spanish cedar has the Texas ebony down, or excuse me, walnut right there as the stripe. So I got that Texas ebony and the Spanish cedar from a retired banjo builder. Those are, tropical woods I wouldn't normally order new, but kind of salvaging them from someone's estate is right up my alley. It makes, they're very well suited for musical instruments and really nice old wood. So yeah, spruce and walnut is just a really great combination. Yeah, feels great. I'm really pleased with this one. And I can't wait for the customer to get it. 681, ready to go. Cheers.